Hey guys, and a happy Monday. I hope everyone's week is off to a great start so far. I wanted to give you a brief review of the multiple choice portion of the midterm. So we've already talked about the essays quite a bit. So now I just want to talk about the multiple choice part. So there are 20 multiple choice questions. 5 of them you know what they're going to be. 3 from the first quiz, and that's the one on the marketing definition, the one on positioning definition, and the one on positioning versus branding. 2 from last week's lecture, one on heuristics and one on persuasion routes, so central or deliberative versus peripheral. The remaining 15 are intended to provide you prompts for your essay. So all those are relating to concepts you may want to incorporate into your essays. So 2 of them are matching, so you have terms and you match them with the definition. We had a question like that on the first quiz that was mission, vision, goals, and objectives, so something like that. Then you have quite a few which of the following is not whatever. And the purpose of those is to just kind of, again, prompt you for things you might want to remember for your essay. So for example, there might be, and there might not be, a question about attributes of innovation. So if you remember correctly, those are trialability, complexity, relative advantage, and observability. So the question is going to be which of the following are not, or which of the following is not an example of an attribute of innovation, and would have those 4 and then something kind of random. So the idea again there is to prompt your memory if you can identify those out of the list, and then apply it to your essay. You should be able to remember the definitions on your own. It doesn't have to be a textbook definition, but enough to show me you understand what it is, and then apply it. In cases where I thought the definition might be a little tricky, those are matching questions, but you do have a lot of of the following list, which is not something. And the idea there is to give you all the things that are, so that you can use those for your essay. As I mentioned in class, you can opt out of the multiple choice if you so choose. It is an all or nothing deal, though, and you can decide that once you see the multiple choice. So if you have any questions, you guys all know how to reach me. I expect everyone's going to do well on this midterm, and we'll see you Thursday. Have a great night.